welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to be making some mustard fried chicken. For that, you're going to need some mustard. You're going to need some rib rub. And you're going to need some Shelly's house seasoning or your favorite all-purpose seasoning. Some salt. 2.5 cups of flour that I have here in my Ziploc bag. Alright guys, so let's get started. I've already cleaned and dried my pork chops. So what we're going to do now is take our mustard. And we're just going to put a dab on each one. Just like so. And then you're going to take one of these, your good hand, and just rub the mustard in. Just like so. And just rub it in all over. Don't be scared. You know, you put gloves on. You don't want to use your hand. Just get that mustard on there, on that pork chop. It's going to give it amazing flavor. It's not going to taste like mustard. It's going to give it a nice tangy flavor. And then we're going to flip these pork chops over. Just like this. Nothing hard about it. We're just flipping these pork chops over. Just like that. And we're going to take our good hand and add mustard to the back. And we're putting the mustard on first, so our seasoning will adhere to the mustard. And if you put the seasoning on first and then add the mustard, mustard gonna rub the seasoning away when you start rubbing. So that's why we're applying the mustard first. Mustard fried pork chops. Amazing. Don't be scared, just massage it in there. Just like so. Alright. Just like that. It's going to give it, when I tell you, an amazing flavor to these pork chops. Amazing, guys. Don't be scared. I have 9 pork chops here. And they so good, they just disappear. You know? Disappear. So then, I'm going to remove my gloves and get a fresh pair. I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back. So now, I have these mustard pork chops just sitting here, absorbing all of this delicious mustard. Move some stuff out of my way. And we're just going to move this just to the side, just a little bit. And we're going to take our bag of flour, like so. We're going to add some salt to that flour. About a tablespoon of salt. Some of my rib rub. About a tablespoon of that. About 2 tablespoons. Shelly's house seasoning. 3 tablespoons of that as well. So before I start playing with mustard again, I wanted to make sure that I got my seasoning in my bag. Now we're just going to season up our pork chops and all over. We want them to have tons of flavor. And now, we're just going to mix up our flour. So I'm just shaking it in. Getting it all mixed in. I'm going to get my hand in there and just get in there. Alright. So now, we're going to flip our pork chops over because we season this side. And we're going to season the other side. and get you some yellow mustard. You can use Dijon, but Dijon is not as strong as the yellow mustard. Get in there and just season those pork chops. Just like so. Then we go into our bag of seasoning. Get that in there. Shake it around. Because we're doing pork chops, we're going to do one at a time. See? Just like so. See how that pork chop is coated? Grab another one. And we're just going to season it in. Puff of flour going on. Shake up that excess flour. Go in again. Get that. And you just continue to do this until you have them all coated in flour. Just like so. Alright, so when we come back, we're going to go over to the stove and fry these babies up. Alright guys, so we're back at the stove. And we have our beautiful pork chops. Look at that. Go in. We're only going to do a couple at a time, because these are some nice size, beautiful pork chops, guys. So I'm only going to do 2 at a time. So once this gets done, I'll be back to show you what to do next. Alright guys, it's time to take out these pork chops. Look at those. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to get them onto some paper towel. Get them out. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous pork chops. I'm going in with some more. And just let them cook. And when we come back, we just gonna taste it. Just when we come back, I'm gonna finish off those pork chops. When we come back, I'm gonna plate these babies up and we're gonna give it a try and let y'all know exactly how amazing these pork chops is. Alright guys, I'll be back. Oh my goodness. Look at these pork chops. Absolutely amazing looking. It smells wonderful. Now we're going to go in for a taste test. This one is still a little hot. Look at that. I sprinkled a little salt on it. It came out your hot grease. Now mashed it by a little hot sauce on this baby. I gotta try this. Look at that. Alright, we did it come apart. Juicy in the middle. Pork chop. Remember, all the ingredients are going to be in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe while you're down there. And as always, guys, y'all have a wonderful day, because I'm going to get out of here and jump into these pork chops. They are seasoned perfectly. Alright, guys.